Fun with Fire. Tonight doing a little teeny tiny demo. It's been a while since I did one. I'm in the midst of moving, so it's been kind of difficult, but I picked this little guy up at Walmart. I think it was $1. Some TNT. Rowdy. Your item number is the CP2159. Safe and sane. Performance. Silvery rain, crackling, and flowers. And I think there's a picture. That's what it's supposed to look like. Look at this monkey. He's a Weisenheimer. So let's check out Rowdy from TNT Fireworks. All right, let's check it out. Rowdy. Lighter's getting low. That's it, huh? Well, short but sweet. Sweet!